Hi, my name's Jenny, and I am doing unboxing of the Jujube with the collaboration Tokidoki Kawaii Carnival, and this is in the Midi. So this one, I haven't tried the Midi before, so I figured might as well. This retails for $70, and I got this from a small retailer because lately they've been doing print placement. Now, I'm not sure what kind of print I'm looking for, so I just got lucky and she still had some available. So, that is such cute placement. So, I've only had the mini bee, and I think this one's a little bit bigger than the mini bee. I've had a BRB before, but I don't know, for me it just didn't work out. I like tote bags better when my kids were smaller. So as you could see, I love this print. A little zipper pull. It does have elastic pockets in the back. And then the backpack strap, which is seatbelt. Pretty soft. Hardware is like a light gold. Let's see in the interior. More zipper pulls, but not the character ones. So, it looks like there's a back zipper pocket goes halfway down the bag. A big pocket in the back that goes all the way down, and then in front of it is two elastic pockets as well. I love that this has interior organization because that's the only thing that Jujube lacked was interior organization. Kind of excited to pack this up. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.